Francis actually is one of our favorite feast days. It's a day when we honor Francis of Assisi, who brought to our attention the beauty of God's creation and was very much wanting us to recognize the presence, the light of God in all things, not only in one another and people, but also in God's creation, which would include animals and birds and fish and mountains and trees and rocks and plants and bugs. So St. Francis is someone who was kind of the first, I don't know, some people call him the first environmentalist, but he was very much someone who saw that beauty and that majesty of God in all things.
Hey, what do you think? Say hello. Are you going to come get on that here?
Hey, Chewie. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you.
Why do you like the idea of the animals being blessed?
Oh, they're still God's creatures. So every child and angel from God should be blessed at some point in their life.
What's your dog's name?
Lily.
Lily. And why did you bring her today?
Well, a friend of mine came in from Denmark, and I'd been here before, but I wanted her to see this and see the beauty of all the animals in the cathedral and the honoring of creatures besides people. I think it's we're all one together in this planet. We have to honor each other, you know.